Is outside noise constantly coming through your windows? The constant rumble of traffic, the chatter of neighbors, or that annoying barking dog? You don't have to live with it. There's a simple, affordable trick that can turn almost any standard window into an effective sound barrier, and you won't even need to replace the glass. First, let's understand why your windows are letting so much noise in. Standard windows typically have just one layer of glass. This single pane offers very little resistance to sound waves, allowing them to pass through almost unimpeded directly into your home. Think of it like a thin drum skin, it vibrates easily. But here's the clever part. By adding a second layer, you create an insulated air gap between the two panes. This air gap is crucial. It acts as a cushion, absorbing and dissipating sound vibrations, significantly reducing how much noise makes it indoors. Ready to tackle this? Here's what you'll need. First, the star of our show, a secondary glazing sheet. You can find these made from acrylic or polycarbonate. They're lightweight, durable, and easily cut. Next, you'll need either magnetic tape or sturdy double-sided mounting strips. These will securely attach your new pane. Grab a measuring tape for precision and a pair of sharp scissors or a utility knife for cutting the sheet. You might also want some rubbing alcohol and a cloth for cleaning. Many hardware stores sell these materials as convenient window insulation kits, which include most of what you need. Accuracy is key for a good seal. Start by carefully measuring the inside frame of your window. That's from edge to edge, both width and height. Now, here's a crucial tip. Cut your glazing sheet just slightly smaller than these measurements. We're talking maybe an eighth of an inch smaller on each side. This allows for a little wiggle room and ensures a snug fit without forcing. Before installation, take a moment to thoroughly clean the window frame where you'll be applying the tape. Any dust or grime will compromise the adhesive, and remember, a tight, uninterrupted seal is absolutely essential for maximum sound reduction. With your frame clean and your sheet cut, it's time to install. Take your magnetic tape or double-sided mounting strips and apply them neatly around the perimeter of your window frame. Make sure the tape goes all the way to the corners, creating a continuous line. Once the tape is in place, carefully align your pre-cut glazing sheet. Starting from one side, gently press the sheet into place, ensuring it adheres firmly to the tape all around. Run your fingers along the edges to secure it. You've now effectively created two layers of protection. Your original window glass and your new secondary pane with that vital air gap in between. So why is this so effective? It's all about that air gap. The space between your original window and the new acrylic sheet acts like a highly efficient cushion, absorbing and scattering sound energy before it can fully penetrate your home. It's the very same principle that makes expensive double pane windows so good at noise reduction, but achieved at a fraction of the cost. And it's not just about peace and quiet. This upgrade also provides significant insulation benefits, helping to keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. That means lower heating and cooling bills and fewer annoying drafts. A simple DIY solution that brings peace and comfort back to your home. If you want more easy home upgrades like this that make a huge difference without breaking the bank, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Idiots Like Me How to community.